Hello everyone, my name's Katrina, one of your Teacher Success Champions at CAMI. I'm a former high school chemistry teacher and tech coach. Speaking of chemistry, CAMI and I go way back. It was one of the first EdTech tools to successfully elevate my instructional game, especially when it was paired with my LMS. That's why in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CAMI with Canvas. Just a heads up, your Canvas administrator may have already installed the CAMI app for you. If not, you can install CAMI in the Canvas environment by going to your course settings. Once you're in settings, click the Apps tab, search for CAMI, click Add App, then enter your consumer key and shared secret. This information can be found in your CAMI settings. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into Canvas. A CAMI assignment in Canvas all starts by clicking on the Assignment button in one of your classes. Next, give your assignment a name and leave instructions before scrolling down to the submission type. Choose External Tool and then click on the Find button. Look for CAMI assignment in the list of external tools and click the link to complete the step. Here, you choose a file from either your Google Drive or your OneDrive. Once you've selected a file, you can modify your assignment settings. First, let's dive into assessment mode. This is one of the newest features in CAMI's integration and ultimately gives teachers more control over the students' assignments. And it doesn't stop there. Just like peanut butter and jelly, due date and assessment mode are better together. With the due date setting, you can set a specific time and date in which all assignments will automatically be submitted back to you for grading. Our next setting is a fantastic solution to an issue all of us face. It's impossible to give students feedback on the work they don't turn in, right? When you enable real-time monitoring on your CAMI assignment, you can see all incomplete as well as complete submissions in the Canvas Speed Grader. This allows you to use all the CAMI tools to give feedback to all of your learners, even those who forgot or aren't ready to submit. The last setting is hands down my favorite. It allows every teacher to control the features available to students on every assignment. If you're assigning a social studies assignment and don't need the equation tool, you can remove it. If you're reading a passage and don't need the signature tool, remove that too. By narrowing down the features available for your students, you're helping them stay focused on the lesson at hand. Once you customize the features for this assignment, you can check the additional box to remember your options for next time. This is a huge time saver for teachers who are often checking and unchecking the same boxes under control features. At this point, click Proceed and select. Right below the external tool URL is another important checkbox. Click Load this tool in a new tab for all CAMI assignments, so that students have the full screen to work in CAMI instead of loading it inside the Canvas frame. Our assignment is ready to save and publish. Now you can monitor their progress in real time and leave feedback during and after their work is completed. Let's take a look at the student's view. The timer shows the countdown to the due date we selected earlier. Assessment mode also removed the share button for each student and gave the teacher sole access to file submissions until they're ready to return after feedback and grading. This means that you can grade and give feedback, but withhold the release back to students until they've completed the assignment. Once they're finished, students click the Submit button and they're all done. It's as simple as that. Now go forth and level up those assignments with CAMI and Canvas. Bye now.